What you're about to see has never been filmed before. Inside the secret factory where robot dogs are born, machines that can save lives, explore disaster zones, and change the future of rescue operations forever. This is the untold story of Boston Dynamics Spot. Welcome to the most advanced robotics factory on Earth. Today, I'm taking you on an exclusive journey inside Boston Dynamics manufacturing facility, where cutting-edge technology meets precision engineering. You'll witness every step of how a robot dog comes to life. From the first bolt to the final quality test, from the assembly line to real-world rescue missions. This is the complete story. And trust me, what happens in the final stages will absolutely blow your mind. So let's dive in. Boston Dynamics didn't just build a robot, they created a revolution. Spot, their four-legged wonder, has walked through nuclear disaster sites, inspected oil rigs, and even helped doctors during the pandemic. But how is this marvel actually made? The journey begins here, at their state-of-the-art facility in Waltham, Massachusetts. Behind these walls, a team of over 500 engineers and technicians work around the clock. But here's the surprising part. Humans and robots work side by side. As we step inside, the first thing you notice is the silence. No loud machinery, no chaos, just precision. Climate control rooms maintain exactly 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Why? Because even a single degree can affect the calibration of sensitive components. Let me show you the raw materials first. Aerospace-grade aluminum, carbon fiber composites, and military-spec electronics. Each Spot robot contains over 3,000 individual parts, and every single one must meet NASA-level quality standards. The assembly line stretches across 50,000 square feet, but this isn't like a car factory. Here, customization is everything. Each robot dog can be configured for different missions: construction, security, research, or rescue operations. Station 1, the skeleton. Engineers call it the chassis foundation. This is where Spot's body frame takes shape. Robotic arms precisely weld aluminum joints with accuracy down to 0.01 millimeters. One mistake here could affect the entire robot's balance. Here's something fascinating. The welding robots are actually programmed by AI systems that learn from every single weld. They get better over time. It's like the factory is teaching itself to be more perfect. And if you're enjoying this behind-the-scenes access, hit that subscribe button right now. We're going deeper into places most people never get to see. Let's continue to the leg assembly area. Station 2, the legs. This is where magic happens. Each of Spot's 4 legs contains 12 motors, precision gears, and proprietary actuators. These aren't ordinary motors, they're custom-built, delivering 200 watts of power each. Watch this carefully. A technician installs the knee joint actuator. It must rotate 150 degrees and withstand forces up to 250 pounds. The tolerance? Less than the width of a human hair. This is engineering at its finest. Each leg weighs exactly 8.5 pounds, but can lift 50 pounds. How? Advanced materials and intelligent design. The leg structure mimics animal biomechanics, specifically inspired by dogs and horses. Nature's wisdom meets human innovation. Now comes the hydraulic system installation. These aren't traditional hydraulics, though. Boston Dynamics developed an all-electric actuation system. No oil, no leaks, no environmental concerns. Just clean, powerful, precise movement. The cables you see being threaded through, those are data highways. Over 100 meters of wiring in each robot, carrying millions of signals per second. Every sensor, every motor, every decision point needs constant communication. Station 3. The spine and body mounting. This is where all 4 legs connect to the central chassis. The alignment must be absolutely perfect. Engineers use laser guidance systems to ensure each leg is positioned within 0.5 degrees of ideal. Inside the body cavity, we're installing the battery pack. This isn't your typical battery. It's a custom lithium-ion system, providing 90 minutes of continuous operation. Quick swap design means Spot can be back in action in just 2 minutes. Here's where it gets really interesting. The cooling system. Those yellow tubes? Liquid cooling pathways. When Spot runs, climbs stairs, or operates in extreme environments, internal temperatures can spike. This system keeps everything optimal. Station 4, the brain installation. This is the moment Spot begins to think. The main computing unit contains 5 processors working simultaneously. Processing power, equivalent to a high-end gaming computer, but optimized for real-time decision-making. Before we continue, drop a comment telling me, would you trust a robot dog to rescue you in an emergency? Your answers might surprise you. Now, let's see how Spot learns to see. Station 5, the sensor array. Spot has 17 different sensors. 5 cameras providing 360-degree vision. Depth sensors measuring distance to objects. IMU sensors tracking orientation and acceleration. It's like giving the robot multiple senses simultaneously. These cameras aren't ordinary. They're stereo cameras that create 3D maps in real time. Spot can recognize stairs, detect obstacles, and plan paths through complex environments. All of this processing happens 100 times per second. The head assembly contains the most advanced sensors. LiDAR technology borrowed from self-driving cars, thermal imaging for search and rescue, and acoustic sensors that can detect sounds humans can't hear. Spot sees more than we ever could. Station 6, software loading. This is where Spot receives its personality. Engineers upload the core operating system, movement algorithms, and safety protocols. Over 2 million lines of code developed and refined over 15 years. The AI isn't pre-programmed for every situation. Instead, it uses machine learning. Spot learns from experience, adapts to new terrains, and improves its performance. Every Spot robot that operates in the field shares data, making all of them smarter. Station 7, quality control level 1. Every joint is tested for resistance. Every sensor is calibrated against known standards. Technicians run 127 different diagnostic tests. The failure rate at this stage, less than 0.5%. But 0 defects is the goal. Watch this technician manually check each leg's range of motion. Even though robots assemble Spot, human expertise verifies everything. This combination of automation and human skill is what ensures perfection. Station 8, the first power-up. This is an incredible moment. Spot systems initialize for the first time. Cameras activate, processors boot up, motors hum to life. It's like watching a newborn open its eyes. The robot runs self-diagnostics for 15 minutes, checking every connection, every sensor, every line of code. Green lights appear one by one across the diagnostic screen. Structural integrity, check. Sensor array, check. AI core, check. This is the kind of content you don't see anywhere else. Share this video with someone who loves technology. They'll thank you. Now, let's witness Spot's first steps. Station 9, the walking test arena. A 40-foot obstacle course with stairs, ramps, uneven surfaces, and tight corners. Spot must navigate all of it autonomously. No human control, just pure AI decision-making. Spot stands up for the first time. The balance algorithms activate instantly. Micro adjustments happening 1,000 times per second keep it stable. Then, the first step, smooth, confident, natural. It's almost eerie how lifelike the movement is. Up the stairs now. Watch how Spot scans each step, calculates the height, and adjusts its gait. It places each foot with deliberate precision. This is computational power and mechanical excellence working in perfect harmony. The uneven terrain test. Rocks, slopes, unstable surfaces. Spot's feet contain pressure sensors that detect surface stability. If the ground shifts, Spot instantly redistributes its weight. It's reactive intelligence at its best. Station 10, payload testing. Spot can carry up to 31 pounds of equipment. Engineers attach various payloads, cameras, gas detectors, communication relays. Each configuration is tested to ensure Spot maintains stability and battery life. Here's something most people don't know. Spot can open doors. A custom arm attachment is installed and tested. The robot approaches a door, recognizes a handle, grips it, turns, and pulls. Problem solving in real time. Station 11, environmental testing. Spot enters a chamber where conditions simulate extreme environments. Temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Dust storms. Rain simulation. Spot must operate flawlessly in all conditions. The rain test is particularly impressive. Water resistance is critical for rescue operations. Spot walks through simulated rainfall, climbs wet stairs, and operates for 30 minutes. Not a single system failure. Engineering brilliance. Now, let's talk about the human element. Some people fear robots will replace workers. But here's the truth. At Boston Dynamics, automation has actually created jobs. The workforce has grown by 300% in 5 years. Engineers, technicians, programmers, quality specialists, all of these are human roles. Robots build robots, yes, but humans design, program, test, and improve them. It's collaboration, not replacement. Meet Sarah, a quality control engineer. She's been here for 8 years. Every Spot that leaves this factory carries our signature. She says, "We're not just building machines. We're creating tools that save lives." That's what motivates us every day. The final assembly station. A team of 5 specialists performs the last checks. Battery secured, firmware updated, safety protocols verified, a final visual inspection, then certification. This Spot is ready for the real world. But the factory isn't where Spot's story ends. It's where it begins. Let me show you where these robots go and what they actually do. This is the part that will change how you think about robotics forever. Chernobyl, Ukraine. A Spot robot equipped with radiation sensors enters areas too dangerous for humans. It measures radiation levels, maps contaminated zones, and provides critical data to scientists. Missions like this save human lives. Oil rigs in the North Sea. Spot inspects pipelines, checks pressure gauges, and detects gas leaks. It operates in conditions where one spark could cause catastrophe. Human workers stay safe while Spot does the dangerous work. During COVID-19, hospitals use Spot for telemedicine. The robot carried tablets, allowing doctors to communicate with patients remotely. It reduced virus exposure for healthcare workers. Technology serving humanity at its finest. Search and rescue operations. After earthquakes or building collapses, Spot enters unstable structures. Its thermal cameras detect human body heat. Its microphones pick up calls for help. It's found survivors that human rescuers would have missed. So what's next? Boston Dynamics is already developing Spot 2.0. Improved AI, longer battery life, better environmental resistance, and enhanced manipulation capabilities. The future of robotics is evolving faster than most people realize. From factory floor to disaster zone, from assembly line to saving lives, this is the journey of innovation. Spot isn't just a robot. It's proof that technology, when designed with purpose, can make the world safer, better, and more hopeful. The future isn't something to fear. It's something we're building one robot dog at a time. Thank you for watching.